You wake up, your alarm goes off, and the first thought in your head is not good morning. It is not again.
You are tired. Not the kind of tired that disappears after a good night's sleep. This is deeper. This is the kind of tired that stays.
You smile at people. You answer their messages. And when someone asks, "How are you?" you say the same two words every time.
I'm fine.
But you are not fine. And somewhere inside, you know it.
Today we talk about burnout, how to recognize it, how to talk about it in English, and most importantly, how to start doing something about it. Welcome to Easy English Leap. I am Jake.
And I am Anna. Today you will hear a real conversation between two friends. One of them has been hiding how she really feels for weeks. The other finally notices something is wrong.
Opt 15 real English phrases, all of them natural, all of them honest, and all of them useful in real life.
We will go slowly first, break it all down, and then practice together at natural speed.
Let us begin.
Here are the 15 phrases you will learn today. Just listen for now.
1. I'm completely exhausted. 2. I've been running on empty for weeks. 3. I can't seem to switch off. 4. I feel overwhelmed. 5. I keep pushing through, but I don't know how much longer I can. 6. I think I'm burning out. 7. I've been neglecting my own needs. 8. I feel burnt out. 9. I need to take a step back. 10. I need to recharge. 11. Have you tried setting some boundaries? 12. You need to give yourself permission to rest. 13. Take a mental health day. 14. It's okay not to be okay. 15. I'm starting to feel more like myself again.
15 phrases. 4 stages of a real burnout conversation. They will all appear in the dialogue coming up. Let us go slowly.
Section 1. The conversation, slow version. Listen carefully, music. Soft ambient tone, low key, fades out.
Hey Jake, sorry I am a little late.
No worries. You okay? You look tired.
I'm fine.
Anna, you have said that every day this week. What is actually going on?
Okay? Honestly, I'm completely exhausted. But it is not just today. I've been running on empty for weeks. I wake up tired. I go to bed tired. I do not even remember the last time I felt rested.
How long has this been going on?
A long time. I keep staying late at the office. I answer emails at 11 at night. And even when I am home, I can't seem to switch off. My brain just keeps going. Work problems, deadlines, things I forgot to do.
That sounds really overwhelming.
It is. I feel overwhelmed all the time. There is always more to do. I keep pushing through, but I don't know how much longer I can. I am just tired of being tired.
Anna, I think I need to say something, and I hope you hear it. I think you are burning out.
Pause, I know. I think you are right. I've been neglecting my own needs for months. I just keep telling myself one more week, one more deadline. But it never stops.
I went through something similar 2 years ago. I ignored it for way too long, and it got bad before it got better.
What did you do?
Honestly, the first thing I did was admit it to myself. I stopped pretending everything was fine. I remember saying out loud, I feel burnt out.
Just saying it helped. I feel burnt out.
Yes, exactly like that.
It is strange. Saying it out loud feels like something lifted.
That is real. And then, step by step, I need to take a step back. That was the next thing I told myself. Not quit everything or fix everything overnight. Just step back and look at what is actually happening.
I do not even know where to start.
Start with rest. Actual rest. Have you tried setting some boundaries? Like not checking your phone after 8 o'clock?
I have tried, but then I feel guilty.
I know, but you need to give yourself permission to rest. Rest is not a reward for finishing everything. Rest is part of the work. You cannot keep giving if you have nothing left.
My manager mentioned taking some days off, but I keep thinking the team needs me there.
Take a mental health day, or two. The world will not end, and you will come back sharper, I promise.
It is scary to stop.
It is, but it is scarier to keep going the way you are going. And here is something I want you to hold on to. It is okay not to be okay. You do not have to perform fine for everyone all the time.
Pause, thank you. I really needed to hear that.
A few weeks later,
Hey, you look different. In a good way.
I took 3 days off. I slept. I went for walks. I did not check my email once.
And?
I'm starting to feel more like myself again. I have a long way to go, but it feels like the beginning of something better.
End of slow version.
Now let us break it all down. 15 phrases in 4 groups.
Group 1. Talking about exhaustion.
Phrase 1, I'm completely exhausted. Exhausted is stronger than tired. It means you have used up all your energy, completely makes it even stronger. When you say this, people understand it is serious. I'm completely exhausted.
Phrase 2. I've been running on empty for weeks. This is an idiom. Running on empty comes from a car with no fuel left in the tank. You are still moving, but there is nothing left inside. For weeks shows this is not just one bad day. I've been running on empty for weeks.
Phrase 3, I can't seem to switch off. Switch off means stop thinking about work or problems, like turning off a light. When you say, I can't seem to switch off, you mean your brain keeps going even when you want to rest. I can't seem to switch off.
Phrase 4. I feel overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means there is too much. Too many tasks, too many responsibilities, too many thoughts at once. It is a very common and honest word. I feel overwhelmed.
Group 2, recognizing burnout.
Phrase 5. I keep pushing through, but I don't know how much longer I can. Push through means keep going despite difficulty. I keep shows a repeated action. The second part, I don't know how much longer I can, is vulnerable and real. Use this when you are at your limit. I keep pushing through, but I don't know how much longer I can.
Phrase 6, I think I'm burning out. Burnout is a verb, to burn out. Burning out is the present continuous, showing it is happening now, in progress. This is the moment of recognition. I think I'm burning out.
Phrase 7. I've been neglecting my own needs. Neglect means to not give something the care or attention it needs. My own needs means food, sleep, rest, relationships, things that keep you healthy. I've been neglecting uses the present perfect continuous, showing this has been going on for a while. I've been neglecting my own needs.
Phrase 8, I feel burnt out. Burnt out is an adjective, completely used up, no energy, no motivation left. This is different from burning out, which is the process. Burnt out is the result. I feel burnt out.
Group 3. What to do about it.
Phrase 9, I need to take a step back. Take a step back means to pause, to give yourself distance from the situation, to look at things with a clearer perspective. It does not mean quit, it means slow down and see the bigger picture. I need to take a step back.
Phrase 10. I need to recharge. Like a phone battery. Recharge means to refill your energy through rest, sleep, time away from work, or things you enjoy. I need to recharge.
Phrase 11. Have you tried setting some boundaries? Boundaries are limits you set to protect your time and energy. Setting boundaries means deciding what you will and will not do. For example, not checking emails after a certain hour. This is a caring question one friend asks another. Have you tried setting some boundaries?
Phrase 12. You need to give yourself permission to rest. This phrase is powerful because many people feel guilty about resting. Give yourself permission means allow yourself, stop feeling bad about it. Rest is not laziness. Rest is necessary. You need to give yourself permission to rest.
Group 4. Recovery and honesty.
Phrase 13. Take a mental health day. A mental health day is a day off work or school, not because you are physically sick, but because your mind needs a break. This phrase is widely used now and completely accepted. Take a mental health day.
Phrase 14. It's okay not to be okay. A very important phrase. In many cultures, people feel pressure to always seem fine. This phrase gives permission to be honest about how you really feel. It's okay not to be okay.
Phrase 15. I'm starting to feel more like myself again. Feel like myself means to feel like you, your normal, healthy self. Starting to shows the recovery is just beginning, but it is real. I'm starting to feel more like myself again.
Now let us do the shadowing practice. You will hear each phrase once. Then there will be a pause. Your job is to say the phrase out loud. Ready?
I'm completely exhausted. Pause 3 seconds.
I've been running on empty for weeks. Pause 3 seconds.
I can't seem to switch off. Pause 3 seconds.
I feel overwhelmed. Pause 3 seconds.
I keep pushing through, but I don't know how much longer I can. Pause 3 seconds.
I think I'm burning out. Pause 3 seconds.
I've been neglecting my own needs. Pause 3 seconds.
I feel burnt out. Pause 3 seconds.
I need to take a step back. Pause 3 seconds.
I need to recharge. Pause 3 seconds.
Have you tried setting some boundaries? Pause 3 seconds.
You need to give yourself permission to rest. Pause 3 seconds.
Take a mental health day. Pause 3 seconds.
It's okay not to be okay. Pause 3 seconds.
I'm starting to feel more like myself again. Pause 3 seconds.
Now let us put it all together. Natural speed, full conversation. This time, feel free to shadow Anna or Jake, whichever feels right. Music, gentle ambient, low comment.
Hey Jake. Sorry I am a little late.
No worries. You okay? You look tired.
I'm fine.
Anna, what is actually going on?
I'm completely exhausted. I've been running on empty for weeks. And I can't seem to switch off, even at home.
How long has this been going on?
A long time. I feel overwhelmed all the time. I keep pushing through, but I don't know how much longer I can.
Anna, I think you are burning out.
I know. I've been neglecting my own needs for months. I feel burnt out. I just did not want to say it.
I've been there. The first step is to say it honestly, and then I need to take a step back. That is what I told myself. And then I need to recharge. Have you tried setting some boundaries?
I've tried, but I feel guilty.
You need to give yourself permission to rest. Take a mental health day. It's okay not to be okay.
Pause, thank you.
Weeks later, you look different today. Good different.
I took some time off, and I'm starting to feel more like myself again.
Good. You deserve that. Music. Warm ending tone.
15 phrases. One honest conversation. Let us do a quick recap.
Exhaustion. I'm completely exhausted. I've been running on empty for weeks. I can't seem to switch off. I feel overwhelmed.
Recognizing it. I keep pushing through. I think I'm burning out. I've been neglecting my own needs. I feel burnt out.
Taking action. I need to take a step back. I need to recharge. Have you tried setting some boundaries? Give yourself permission to rest.
Recovery. Take a mental health day. It's okay not to be okay. I'm starting to feel more like myself again.
Comment challenge time. Tell us in the comments. Have you ever felt burnt out? What helped you?
Use this sentence. When I feel burnt out.
Write it in English. We read every comment.
If this video helped you, please share it with someone who needs it today. And subscribe to Easy English Leap for a new English lesson every week.
Take care of yourselves. We will see